So I bought this Kalolary automatic drip irrigation kit from Amazon, and this is the contents that I got. I got lots of tubing, I got this timer, I got these different types of spray nozzles. So you can see this one here, that sprays in 4 different directions. This one gives lots of little sprays out of those little holes, and this one gives a spray straight up. Also you get this gadget which punctures holes in the tubes, and then you cut the tubes to your size. I recommend you heat them up with a lighter just a bit, and then push them hard on, and then when they go hard they stick on there onto each of these gadgets. You see this one, you push it on here. It's the instructions are very simple for the timer, and also this package shows you what exactly you get with it. All very straightforward, and shows you the different types of things you have there, and then it shows you how you can set up your arrangement. It took me sort of an hour to put it in my garden, and it now keeps my garden nice and clean and watered. So we'll go into the garden and we'll have a look at the setup we have. So I have it set on one of these multi different. So one goes to one side of the garden. With that you can turn it on and off. The other one goes to this side of the garden. So that goes behind the shed, and that feeds there. You can see there's one. There's another in here. And there's one there as well. And then if I go over here, you can see I have to tidy it up, but I've got one in here, one in here, one in here, here. Look at those sprays going everywhere there. And then one in here, and one in there. So actually it's a very, very good system, and we'll go back into here. So I can thoroughly recommend this gadget. It's very, very good, and very, very good price. Have a nice day, and hope you enjoy it.